Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we discuss a common problem that many of you may have noticed after the latest update to Windows 11, which is the disappearance of the time and date from the system tray, and the time no longer shows AM or PM, so don't worry. The latest update allows you to display the time and date in full detail through Windows 11 settings. In the settings window, navigate to Time and Language from the left-hand menu. And from the options available on the other side, click on Date and Time. Then, scroll down a little and enable the option Show Time and Date in the system tray. The full time and date will be displayed immediately on the system tray. Click to expand the option to show more settings and other options. We have another option to show seconds next to the time, where by enabling the option, you can show the seconds. And by disabling the option, the seconds are hidden. This option is up to you as a user. And with these simple steps through Windows 11 settings, you can show the time and date, and also restore AM, PM and the 4-digit year for the time and date in the taskbar on Windows 11. I hope this guide was useful and easy for you to fix this problem after the latest update. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends who may also find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and IT lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.